to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious jello, but it's a spooky, scary jello. Perfect for El Día de los Muertos and here for Halloween. You know something, the kids are going to love it, enjoy it, plus it's kind of scary. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients. Of course, that this jello is perfect for El Día de los Muertos or Halloween. I have gummy candy, little eyeballs. These are gonna be perfect because this jello is gonna be nice and spooky. And I have coconut extract. You could use the extract that you want as long that it's clear so that you could really see those eyeballs in the jello. Clear gelatin and estivia. I'm using estivia instead of regular sugar because the regular sugar, when you mix it with water, it tends to turn a little bit yellow. And that's exactly what we don't want. We want it nice and clear. And here I have the cherry jello that is going to be very dark, and I'm going to add some water. This is everything we need for this delicious and spooky jello. Perfect for Halloween and for El Día de los Muertos. So let's get started and let's prepare it here at home and enjoy it with our kids and our family. I am going to start by adding 3 cups of very hot water. And I'm going to add to this my cherry jello. And we're going to mix it for about 2 to 3 minutes until everything has dissolved completely. My next step is getting ready my gelatin. And I'm just adding a little bit of water and mixing it until it starts getting nice and thick. When it's like this, I'm just going to go ahead and put it aside and let it rest. I have a cup here where I'm going to add 1 cup of very hot water. And to this, I am going to add my 2 tablespoons of estivia. And I'm just going to mix it until everything incorporates completely. Once the estivia has dissolved completely, I'm going to go ahead and start adding my gelatin. This is the clear gelatin. I'm just going to go ahead and add it in here and mix it until everything is really nice and dissolved. It really takes about 2 minutes. Just make sure that you really mix it until everything is dissolved completely. And now I am ready to start adding my coconut extract. And I'm just adding 1 teaspoon. I'm going to make sure and just whisk it a little bit until it incorporates completely. And let me taste it and see if this tastes great. It does. Now I am ready to start adding it on my mold. And I'm just going to add about 2 tablespoons to each little container. And now when this is done, I'm going to take it to the refrigerator only for 5 minutes. Let me show you how much I added. Just 2 tablespoons. And I want to show you the eyes. They are made out of gummy and look how real they look. And you know something, when you prepare this jello, they really look amazing. I'm taking out my jello from the refrigerator. It's been in there for 5 minutes, and now I am ready to start adding the eyeballs this side down. I'm gonna add one by one, but just remember, this side you're gonna put down so that when the jellos are ready, they look beautiful. And at this moment, I'm gonna go ahead and just add the rest of the clear jello. And I'm just adding just a little bit so that it sets. I'll take it back to the refrigerator for another 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, I am ready to add the red jello. I'm going to take it to the refrigerator for about 5 to 6 hours. Remember, every refrigerator is different. The 5 hours have passed, and now I'm ready to reveal how this jello is going to look. Look at this. Look how beautiful they look. Look. I know that the kids are really going to get scared when they see this jello. Look at this, how beautiful they look. You could really see the green and the black and even the little vessels of the eyes. Let me show you one more, because on this one, I added a spider. Look how beautiful the spider looks. Okay, these are completely done, and I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this. I bought jellos, perfect for Halloween. They came out so spooky. They look really real, and you know something? The kids are really going to have fun with these eyeball jellos, and of course that they taste delicious. You know something? This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. And of course, I'm gonna take a big bite. Eyeball jellos. The flavor is delicious. Just amazing. If you have little ones at home, of course, they could help you make this delicious jello. And they will have a lot of fun taking them to school or even sharing with their neighbors. If you liked and loved my recipe, please, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video on social media so more people get to know Cooking with Gloria. Don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make a delicious recipe or a spooky recipe, yes, you are going to receive notifications. I want to say thank you so much for watching my video from start to end. I really do appreciate it. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying these eyeball jellos. See you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.